Hey everyone! Are you ready for some surprises? Today I'm going to showcase a new product that sounds a little crazy, but is actually not as serious. That's this. This is our revolutionary new product, Orbit Smart Electric Hand Drill. This is the drilling experience of an ordinary hand drill, time-consuming and labor-intensive. The experience is extremely bad, and the drill bit is about to cry. This is the drilling experience of our Orbit Smart Electric Hand Drill. Convenient and fast, elegant and timeless. Why is Orbit so strong? The answer lies in its vast array of electronics. Have you ever seen a hand drill with an infrared indicator? Orbit has it. The front end of the hand drill is equipped with a T800 green laser infrared laser pointer, which can emit a green laser with extremely small spots of light. The light aiming device is important as error of human measurement is still relatively large. After all, not every user's eyes has inbuilt measurements. To solve this, we equipped a gyroscope with laser aiming. We can then accurately measure the depth and angle of the hole and display them on the OLED screen. Not only that, it will automatically stop when the hole reaches a certain depth, ensuring that the hole does not go too deep. No more worry about drilling through the earth. For a hand drill, what is the biggest test? Is it durable, sharpness, or feel? Neither of them. It's the material. To face the test of more materials is to reflect the real strength of a hand drill. The Orbit is equipped with a super torque motor and a linear transmission, which can adjust the torque and motor output power according to the hardness of the material, ensuring that your drilling experience is silky smooth under any material. Plastic, wood, and even metal are like tofu in front of it. Of course, we also fully consider the user's feelings for manual transmission.
手动，这男人他用手动，牲口才用电动，真香。
This hand drill is specially designed to operate in one piece. With a simple push, you can easily switch between manual and automatic. Whether it is the passion of manual transmission or the comfort of automatic transmission, Orbit will always satisfy you. You think this is the end? Since the launch of our electric power tool, the Smart Push Knife Cyberwing in 2024, Diri's voice has been in the hearts of the audience for a long time, and even attracted investors around the world to flock towards us. They are eager to become a pot of leaks on our a group of partners. However, in order to maintain our strong belief in the brand, we have decisively declined these investment proposals. We believe that only by adhering to the most original intention can we create products that truly touch people's heart. After less than a decade of unremitting efforts, Diri was successfully upgraded to version 2.0 and integrated into Orbit Smart Chip. Today's Diri not only has all the functions of version 1.0, such as data broadcasting, human-computer interaction, style switching, etc. But also the performance has been greatly improved, especially the function of hand charging. After the release of this function in 2024, we have received a lot of negative feedbacks. Most users said that it is clear that I shake better and harder. Why do you get the same amount of power as the random guy next to you? It's totally unfair. We are very sorry for this. As the first intelligent tool, Diri's functions and algorithms are really not perfect. Therefore, we start to reflect and brainstorm about the pain points. In the 2.0 version, at the hand scoring function, Diri will grade according to your swing amplitude, frequency, and posture. The higher the score, the more electricity will be, faster the charging speed. But shaking alone is definitely not enough. We have to pull your friends and relatives to shake together to bring more excitement. So we also created a lobby mode and on the internet rank mode to compete with who can charge the fastest. Speaking of compatibility, this smart electric hand drilling also adds the function of multi-device online. Not only can products under the same brand synchronize data, we have also established strategic partnerships with internationally renowned mobile phone brands. Informations from mobile phones can be synced to Diri's cloud database with only one click, whether it is weather or health information.
Detected the bad weather today. Suggests to start the weight loss program next month.
Org information.
You have just worked very hard for 2 minutes. Suggest you to slack off for a while.
Love informatiary.
Your ex-girlfriend and your bestie together. Send them some blessing.
Diri will provide you with the best solution. Not only that, but when the hand drill is not around, you can also wake up Diri
Hey, Diri.
from your phone to help you with positioning and remote operation. No matter where you are, you can remotely monitor the working status of the orbit in real time, adjust the working parameters, and even perform fault diagnosis. That's right. As you can see, this hand drill is no longer just a tool. It has evolved into an indispensable smart partner in your life. In this era of rapid development, innovation is not only the innovation of technology, but also the insight and response to the needs of users. We believe Orbit will not only be a useful tool for model enthusiasts and professional makers, but also a source of creativity and limitless possibilities. On this April Fool's Day, let's look forward to how technology will continue to support humans' creativity and happiness in more forms in the future. Hey everyone, Orbit Intelligent Electric Hansen Drilling, so that every drilling is full of surprises. Wait, if you think this hand drill is outrageous, don't worry, it's April Fool's Day. But who knows, maybe one day in the future, Orbit will really be a working tool in your arsenal. Happy Fool's Day!